You want to get up there?
It's hard.
It's hard. What's hard about it? Go get up there. Hey, why don't you pick it up? Get down. Okay. Hold on, Sydney wants to jump with y'all.
My water.
We'll get inside and get warm in a second. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Oh. Cold.
Okay, well, not for very long.
Cold.
Yeah, very cold.
My hand.
Okay. Stomp your feet when you get stomped. Are we done already?